Energy exchange. When you respond to someone, when you are opening an energetic connection with them, and also other energies that match. Sometimes allowing people to have their perspective of you or their reality regarding of how distorted the perspective is can be one of the best decisions to protect your inner peace. Ask yourself if your response is worth it. And remember that you can always create closure with you. Knowing when to say nothing is a form of self mastery. Your power is so strong that whatever you believe comes true. You are the way. You are because. This is what you believe about yourself. Your whole reality, everything you believe, is your creation. Pay close attention to how others make you feel. It is a direct reflection of the internal energy. Surround yourself with people who leave your feelings recharged. You must surrender yourself when you are not getting the things or when you are getting the things. People expend too much energy trying to make things happen, but life is already happening. There is an infinite source of energy emanating or outstretching all of life. The energy allows, knows how to create order in chores. It's masterful at creating miracles and it guides us always. How many times have you fallen in love with something you didn't know you wanted? How many things have you forgotten about a problem when a few years prior you were convinced it was a huge deal? Life has a way of working things out better than we can imagine. It's got us in ways beyond what we can fathom. You can let go and surrender into that. Remember how held you are here. What is intuition? Your soul is always communicating with you. It tells you where it wants to go by making you aware of your interests, your desires, and what you feel good to you. Follow your passion. When something stops bringing you joy, stop doing it. Shift and flow like the water. Means the intuition means it is your sound of your soul. That is called as intuition. Now what is meditation? How to do the meditation? Everything will happen the way it has to happen. Everything you are stressing about will eventually fall into place and you will be able to see what you are guiding and protected. Call it destiny. Call it the universe. Call it whatever resonates with you. But it is working in your favor. There is nothing to worry about. Just be present and be your best you can be. The highest meditation is to think of nothing. If you can remain one moment without thought, great power will come. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of the blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic. The things that lower your vibration, that is alcohol and tobacco, drugs, poor diet, stress, negative mental activity, casual sex and pornography, negative people, toxic products and environment, negative habit, lack of sleep and interest.